Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, and now tap on add picture. So here we can choose something from the device photos, which is divided between two different options like the camera and gallery. You can tap on the camera and your device will immediately open it, so you can catch a photo of someone who's right in front of you, or you can choose something from the gallery, so from previously taken photos, Google Photos, where you've got backed up photos and illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So I highly recommend to check this option because it is quite useful, especially in the situation where you do not have the photo of the person whose contact you'd like to customize. Alright, so just find the photo or whatever the illustration. So now we can choose some kind of the presets, and each photo, it doesn't matter if it is the illustration or the photo from your gallery, can be cropped. So you can zoom it in or out, you can change the position of it, you can also make this highlighted circle smaller or bigger. It's totally up to you, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, here we've got our photo applied. Of course you will be able to see it on the contact list, and during, for example, all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.